Hello students, the next topic that we have to discuss, that is classification of soil. We have just read about soil, we have gone through its importance, we have seen it is very important resource that nature has gifted us. It is also called skin of the earth. So now, as far as classification of soil is concerned, soil can be classified on a number of bases. On the basis of the size of particle present in it, it can be divided into loamy soil, sandy soil. But broadly, soil that are found in India can be classified into six major categories. What are those six major categories? Namely, alluvial soil. The first and foremost important soil that is found in India is alluvial soil. I hope that you all are familiar with this word alluvial soil. In class 7 and 8 you people have read about this alluvial soil, alluvial plains. We will discuss about alluvial soil in detail later on. The second important soil that are found in India is red and yellow soil. You might be surprising that why I have written over here red and yellow. Yes, it is true that the soil is having such kind of color, red and yellow. These all soil is having their own texture, their own color. For example, the alluvial soil is very much brownish in nature. In a similar form, black soil. The soil got its name black because it is very much black in color. Then after, laterite soil. We will discuss about how laterite soil will form and what are the properties of these soils. Next is arid and desert soil. The name is very much giving you the clear picture that such kind of soil is found in arid and desert region where less amount of rainfall is there. And next one is mountain and forest soil. The name again gives you the clear-cut picture that this kind of soil found in hilly region on the hill slopes. So now let's begin about the alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the widest most soil that are present in India. And where it is found? It is found in river basins. Especially it is found in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin region. Even Punjab plain is also fertile plain, and over there the tributaries of river Indus play an important role. So how alluvial soil is formed? Alluvial soil is made up of alluvum. Now, what is the meaning of alluvum? Alluvum. Alluvum is the silt. Alluvum is the silt brought by the river. Rivers, when coming down from hill slopes, they carried huge deposition. Due to the erosion of the rocky materials, rivers carries those particles, and once it enters into plain, the velocity of river decreases and as its load carrying capacity also reduces. Now river start depositing those materials to the foothills of the mountains, foothills of the slopes, and this is called alluvum, and such kind of deposits are called alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is very much fertile. The Ganga basin or Ganga Brahmaputra plain is called one of the world's largest fertile belt, and it is also called the granary of India. Why it is called granary of India? It is due to its productivity, its fertility. So it is best suited soil for agriculture. So as I have written over here, highest productivity with respect of other soil. Most alluvial soil are derived from the sediment being deposited by the river Ganga in the Indo-Gangetic plain. I have just spoken to you how these are formed by the deposition brought by the rivers. And what are the areas where the alluvial soil is found? Alluvial soil is found in the parts of Punjab, West Bengal, Assam, coastal areas of Gujarat, parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. These are the major areas where the alluvial soil is found. Remember what I have written? Punjab in the west to West Bengal and Assam in the east. This is the area, a stretch from Punjab to Assam. It means in between there is a parts of Haryana, then after it's a parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar is also a part of that particular plain, means northern plains. It is also called northern plains of India. So what we come to know about? Alluvial soil is made up of alluvium. It is the highest productivity with respect to the other soil. Next one, it is brought by the rivers. The silt deposited by rivers ultimately form in the form of alluvial soil, and it is found in the parts of Punjab, UP, Bihar, Haryana, West Bengal, Assam, coastal parts of Gujarat, parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. So you have to remember the areas of the northern plains where alluvial soil is found. In the map question, you may be asked to just mark the area with alluvial soil deposit. So you have to remember these areas. So on the political map of India, you can easily just locate and label when the question asks about the alluvial soil. So now next we will discuss about the remaining properties of alluvial soil, in which we will see in what kind of minerals alluvial soil is rich, in what kind of mineral alluvial soil is also deficient, and also classification of alluvial soil.